Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So today I'm going to show you guys how to create these very natural, wavy, and big bouncy curls. As you guys can see, it just looks very natural, no tight quinceañera curls, and I am in love with these curls right now. So these are kind of like the Victoria's Secret waves, and I just love how shiny these waves make your hair look, and it just looks very healthy. So it is so easy to create this look, like so fast and easy. So if you guys are interested in learning how to create these waves, then keep watching this video. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like right after blowing it out. So I did my blowout today with my Revlon one-step hair dryer and Volumizer. I love that, you guys already know. Since today I'm going to do a different look, and since today I will curl it, I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So this is what I use to curl my hair. I actually got this at Ulta for like 40 bucks. It was on sale. I believe it was around $100, the original price, and then it had a discount of $80, and then I got 50% off. So I got this for like 40 bucks. So I think it's totally worth it. I really do like this. This is from the brand Lange. I don't know how to pronounce it. Lange but I'm gonna put it on the screen so you guys can know what I'm talking about. So this is a 1-inch curling wand. I used to curl my hair with my straightener, and I'm gonna insert some pictures so you guys can see the difference of the curls. The curls with the straightener just look more tight and more like a quinceañera look, and I'm tired of that look. I just don't want those curls anymore. I really don't. I just want nice bouncy waves, a little bit loose. That's what I'm loving right now. And also, using a straightener to curl your hair is really bad for your hair, and it just really pulls your hair so much. I feel like I don't damage my hair as much with this curling wand just because I don't pull my hair. I just wrap it around the wand. So the first thing that I like to do is part my hair into two sections. I noticed that I put my hair into two sections a lot when I blow out my hair, when I curl my hair, everything, just because I want to make sure that I get every single section and that it is more organized. So that's what I'm doing. And so now I'm going to take a small section in the bottom. There you have it. And I'm going to put this section up. What I like about this curling wand is that it doesn't get tangled. You can rotate it all you want, and it's like super easy to use. There's my section, and what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put the curling wands like upside down. By the way, this also brings a glove, just in case if you guys are like wondering, like, do you burn your fingers and what do? I don't want to burn my fingers. I understand. It does bring a glove, so you guys can use that. I'm already used to not using the glove, and I never burn my fingers because I'm like used to using this, so it's not an issue for me. But if you want to use the glove, you can totally use that. So I just have the wands like this, put it like that, and I start rolling it around. Leave it for like 5 seconds or a little bit more. Depends, whatever you like best. And then just let it go, and there you have it. It's like a nice loose curl. And let me just do a couple more sections so you guys can kind of like see what I'm doing. I like to take small sections. I don't like to take big sections. I mean, if you're in a rush, maybe you can get a couple of nice waves if you take big sections, but honestly, you're better off just taking small sections if you want defined curls. Okay, wrap it around very carefully. Wrap it around, then you just let it go, and there you have it. And for years I like never ever used a curling wand. I was always using my straightener, and I was getting these tight, very weird looking curls, but like, look at that, how freaking cute. I love it. Okay, so wrap it around, leave it for like 5 to 10 seconds, and let it go, and there you have it. Woohoo! Woo! So I'm gonna finish my hair. I'm actually gonna curl my hair right now, and I'm gonna fast forward this, and I'm gonna show you guys the final step. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so now that I curled my hair, the last step, and you can already see the curls are looking really nice and very shiny and healthy, but now I am going to run my fingers through my hair just to make it look a lot more natural. This is something that I always do and that I love doing because it just makes my hair look more bouncy and shiny and natural. But as you can see, it's starting to look nice. So yeah, there you have it. Those are my curls. Super easy. As you guys can see, it was so easy for me to do this hair look. So yeah guys, with a straightener I never was able to get curls like this that just look so bouncy and natural and just like healthy. With a straightener my curls were not looking healthy at all, and they were just looking very damaged and just kind of tight and just weird. And I'm just so glad that I finally decided to try out a curling wand. Like, why was I never using one of these? Like, these just make your curls a lot more bouncy and wavy and big, and I just love it. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.